Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share.
Dear students, we have already proved many theorems of circle. So let us prove a theorem which is based on cyclic quadrilateral. So first, what do you mean by cyclic quadrilateral? A quadrilateral whose all the vertices lie on a circle, that is known as cyclic quadrilateral. So here A, B, C, D is a cyclic quadrilateral because the vertices A, B, C and D are lie on the circle. So this is a theorem, that is, the statement is the sum of either pair of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. So this is the property of a cyclic quadrilateral, that the cyclic quadrilateral has opposite angles are supplementary. So we have to prove. So here given A, B, C, D is a cyclic quadrilateral. We have to prove angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree and angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. So first we have to prove angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Then similarly we can prove that angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. So for first proof, construction I have already constructed. Join BO and DO. Then proof. So here in this diagram, look at the diagram. So BD, here BD or BAD is a minor arc and here BCD is a major arc. First you consider BAD is the minor arc. In minor arc BAD, so angle BOD is equal to twice of angle BCD. As we know that the angle subtended by the arc at the center is twice of the angle subtended by the arc at any point on the remaining part of the circle. So this is our finding one. Due to angle subtended by the arc at the center is double that of the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. So here angle BOD is equal to angle 2BCD. But if we consider BCD major arc, in major arc BCD, what happened? The reflex angle BOD is equal to twice of angle BAD. The reflex angle BOD, this is the reflex angle BOD, is equal to twice of angle BAD. So this is the same property is applicable here. So this is our finding 2. So by adding 1 and 2. Angle BOD plus reflex angle BOD is equal to twice of angle BCD plus twice of angle BAD. So we know angle BOD plus reflex angle BOD is equal to 360 degree. So 360 degree is equal to twice of angle BCD plus angle BAD. So this implies angle BCD plus angle BAD is equal to 180 degree. So this is proved. So our first one is proved. Angle A plus angle C is 180 degree. So similarly, if here we draw AO and OC, in the same way we can prove that angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Next theorem, this is the converse of our previous theorem. If the sum of a pair of opposite angles of a quadrilateral is 180 degree, the quadrilateral is cyclic. So here ABCD is our quadrilateral. Given ABCD is a quadrilateral and it is given that angle ABC plus angle ADC is equal to 180 degree and angle BCD plus angle BAD is equal to 180 degree. So then to prove ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Then prove let ABCD is not cyclic. That means A, B, C and D points are not present on a circle. So if we will take three non-collinear point A, B and C, we can draw a circle through A, B, C. Then we can draw a circle through A, B and C. So let there is a point D dash which is on the circle and A, B, C, D dash is a cyclic quadrilateral. Here look at the figure. A, B, C, D dash is a cyclic quadrilateral. Assume that. So if D is not present on the circle, let take D dash which is present on the circle. So if A, B, C, D dash is a cyclic quadrilateral, then we know that the opposite angles are supplementary. So this implies angle ABC plus angle AD' is equal to 180 degree. But it is given that angle ABC plus angle ADC. But it is given that angle ABC plus angle ADC is equal to 180 degree. So this implies angle ADC is equal to angle AD'. So let this is our finding 1. So now in triangle CDD', the exterior angle AD'C is equal to angle D'DC plus angle D'CD. So again these two angles are equal. So this implies angle AD'C minus angle D'DC is equal to angle D'CD. So these two angles are equal. So this implies angle D'CD is equal to 0. So this angle is 0. That means these two lines CD' and CD are coincide. So this implies CD' and CD coincide. That means D is present on the circle and this implies A, B, C, D is cyclic. So this is proved.